Our vision for the future of traceability is a traceability meant for the consumer as an act, as a positive act, and it's a matter of sharing data, of sharing processes, of sharing the best that people do to produce products at a reasonable cost. In terms of GS1 standards, I think we are acting and interacting with a lot of shareholders. The question was primarily on labels like barcodes and QR codes and such things. Then it evolved to data and semantic behind the data, which is crucial when you're collecting data in a blockchain, where the real key crucial issue is process, and we are implementing now ePCIS process into the blockchain, and it's not only from the farm or the farmer to the plate, it's also for every individual stakeholder that is in between.